Okay, so today was a really good day. One of my better days in February. Well, this year, March 1st. I had four trades today. Um, okay, so we're gonna start off with the first one with Meta. Um, I was watching this on my other screen, um, and I noticed yesterday it got above its the supply zone. So I'm already, bullish on that. Um, I got knocked out yesterday, but that's fine. And so I see it squeezing here. So I use a squeeze indicator. I see it squeezing up, and it's above the zone. Um, so I take calls, um, and then I target either this green trigger here. I saw a consolidation box from yesterday where it sold off, so that was my main target. So I got in calls about right here. Um, the EMAs cross of 14 and 50 EMAs. So that confirmed the trend. And I took this all the way up to about right here. Um, Could have got a little bit more, but that's fine. This ended up being at 30% to start the morning. I usually wait until 10 a.m., but I saw the squeeze firing up, so I hopped in this trade pretty fast. So that was the first trade, and then we go over to my main ticker that I usually trade, the S&P 500. Okay, so like I said, I usually wait till 10 a.m. So I see 10 a.m. sold off, didn't get in there, um, but in my plan coming today, was to be mainly bullish. And so I was going to use the ATRs from yesterday. Since the day didn't hit yesterday, I like to use the fibs, the golden zone fibs for a bounce, which it starts bouncing. You get this, this bullish candle here. I get in. Um, does a scalp targeting previous day low. Usually, if it's under previous day low, it's probably going to bounce off of a previous day low. So this blue line is a previous day low. Goes up here, bounce. I got a little greedy. I kind of got a little bit more, but I got a little greedy. Waited till I rejected a little bit, and that one went for 30%. All right, so it goes back down here, um, and here is my demand zone. Um, Usually, if it gets past certain levels, you're looking at, and this is the trade I was waiting for. Mainly where it touches the end of the demand zone and bounce up. So once it hit this demand zone, it was still in between, the fibs. Um, so it was in between the golden zone fibs from yesterday, plus at the end of the demand zone. So I was really bullish, and then I see this strong candle, and I got in here at 11:23 exactly. We're targeting previous day close. Um, this went straight up. I was getting these contracts all the way through. Um, and I got out around here because I started seeing a little pullback. Um, didn't fully stick to my plan to target this, but I did. The way the markets are moving, you gotta take your profits as fast as possible. Um, and then that went for 50%. Um, and then my last trade I took was some puts, 394 puts. Uh, so it's been rejecting off previous day close, just rejecting this little box right here. And as soon as I seen these 1450 EMA cross plus a candle dip below this box, I got in. So I got in, rode it all the way down here. I got out here exactly. Why I got out here exactly? Because that's where it's a mini demand zone, but usually it can bounce right there and then go back up. but I targeted this box and then it started pulling up a little bit. I got out for 50%, and it was a choppy day, but you know, if you stick to your plan, don't get too greedy. You know, you still make profits. So I had two 50%ers, 30%, and I had about a 20% on this little move up because it claimed over the short trigger. So I just targeted here to here, and it was a quick scalp play. It was an A plus setup really. So those are my four trades for today, using supply and fibs, and yeah, that'll be it for today. And that's all I'll be recapping. Thank you.